Daily routine sentences in English. I wake up at 6 o'clock. I wake up at 6 o'clock. Then I open the curtains. Then I open the curtains. I make the bed. I make the bed. I go to the restroom. I go to the restroom. I wash my face. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I take a shower. I comb my hair. I comb my hair. Then I get dressed. Then I get dressed. I prepare breakfast. I prepare breakfast. I have breakfast at 7 a.m. I have breakfast at 7 a.m. I wash the dishes. I wash the dishes. I take out the trash. I take out the trash. Sometimes I sweep the floors. Sometimes I sweep the floors. I dust the furniture. I dust the furniture. I mop the floors. I mop the floors. I vacuum the floors. I vacuum the floors. Often I do the laundry. Often I do the laundry. I exercise for a while. I exercise for a while. I drink coffee to relax. I drink coffee to relax. I check the mailbox. I check the mailbox. I water the plants. I water the plants. I play games on my phone. I play games on my phone. I feed my baby. I feed my baby. I play with my son. I play with my son. I go grocery shopping. I go grocery shopping. I read my favorite book. I read my favorite book. I feed my cute pet. I feed my cute pet. I take my dog out for a walk. I take my dog out for a walk. I make the lunch. I make the lunch. At 12 p.m. I have lunch. At 12 p.m. I have lunch. Usually I take a nap. Usually I take a nap. I go out for some fresh air. I go out for some fresh air. I put on makeup. I put on makeup. I have a part-time job in the insurance company. I have a part-time job in the insurance company. I drive my car to work. I drive my car to work. It takes 25 minutes to arrive at my office by car. It takes 25 minutes to arrive at my office by car. When I get to work, I greet my colleagues. When I get to work, I greet my colleagues. I have snacks at my office. I have snacks at my office. If I feel tired, I relax on the office's sofa for a while. If I feel tired, I relax on the office's sofa for a while. After work, I take my son home from school. After work, I take my son home from school. I have dinner with my husband and kids. I have dinner with my husband and kids. I charge my phone. I charge my phone. I help my kids do their homework. I help my kids do their homework. I set up the alarm clock to get up early in the morning tomorrow. I set up the alarm clock to get up early in the morning tomorrow. I kiss my husband. I kiss my husband. I put on my pajamas. I put on my pajamas. Finally, I go to bed at 10:30 p.m. Finally, I go to bed at 10:30 p.m.